How to save with transparency in Photoshop. That's what we're going to do in today's video. First, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started. So many of people can't save the picture with its transparency settings because of the format. So let's make this, for example, transparent background and remove this white background. As you can see, it's now transparent. If we save this file as a JPEG file, this transparent area will change into white background. We don't want this. So what we are going to do is simply going to File, going to Export, and click on Export As. And as you can see, click on PNG. Make sure to tick this transparency option. If you didn't tick it, simply the background is going to be white. So we're going to click on Export, and now the photo is going to be exported transparent. Let's try it. Transparent, and save. Let's now go to the photo. After we open the photo, as you can see, there is no background behind the rectangle. And that's it. That's how to save a picture without losing its transparency settings. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and write down below in the comments any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.